Making this recording here today at St. John's Catholic Church, the school here in the basement of the school down in the bathroom. We've done, this is a Bob Oates repair project we did here for a line with continuing backup problems. We dug up a section and then installed a liner to help smooth out the transitions for this solid waste to flow through. So what we're looking at right now is about 55 feet down the line from the clean out right next to the toilet. We're past the liner now that we installed. We're going to come back. I'll show you where that liner starts. And we'll get a look at the work that we did out here. Get this line functioning again. So there is the start of the liner there. As we're coming back in, you see there's that 4-inch new flow cure in place pipe liner. Left a small gap there to allow that tie-in to continue to function there. There's a couple of gaps on this, another gap there for that tie-in to come in. Another small gap there for that tie-in. And one last gap there. So 4 tie-ins for the downstream section of the liner. We're going to come around a turn here in a second that we replaced with new plastic pipe. So there we go. We're coming into that plastic that we replaced as part of this repair. Again, there is the plastic section. Then we're going to come back into a liner again. So back into Bob Oates' installed liner there. And then into our cast iron, there's the tie-in for the lab sink there, so we didn't want to cover that up. We're all good. And coming back into the toilet flange very shortly. This is ABS plastic. Going by the flange there, and coming back up through the clean out. So there's a clean out access we made this video from. Liner work looked really nice. Hopefully that solves the issues here.